How to set up a Google Ads account in 3 minutes. Welcome to this quick guide on getting your Google Ads account up and running in just a few minutes. Whether you're a business owner or a digital marketing professional, this tutorial will help you take the first step toward reaching your customers online. First, open your web browser and go to ads.google.com. Click on Start Now to begin setting up your account. You'll need to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, create a new Google account. It's quick and easy. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your first campaign. If you're new to Google Ads, opt to switch to expert mode at the bottom as it provides more control and options. However, for simplicity, you can continue with the default process. You'll see several campaign goals. Select the option that best fits your business objectives. For example, website traffic if you want more visitors to your site. Then, choose your campaign type such as search, display, or video ads. Now, let's focus on the basics. Set your daily budget based on what you're comfortable spending. Google Ads offers suggestions, but make sure it aligns with your financial strategy. Proceed to define your target audience. You can choose locations, languages, and demographics that fit your market. This ensures your ads reach the right people. You'll then need to input keywords related to your business or products. These keywords trigger your ads to show, so choose them wisely. Google provides suggestions, or you can manually input keywords you know perform well in your niche. Draft your first ad. Create a compelling headline and description. Ensure your ad copy reflects your offer clearly and includes a call to action like "Shop now" or "Learn more." Finally, review all your settings. If everything looks good, click Submit to publish your campaign. And there you have it. In just 3 minutes, you've set up your Google Ads account and launched your first campaign.